Welcome to Ayala Nature Resort Hotel, your tranquil oasis in the heart of Galilee, Israel. Our 147 tastefully designed rooms, spread across 16 buildings, each offering breathtaking mountain views. Experience culinary masterpieces at our chef's restaurant, indulging in seasonal Italian kosher cuisine. Revitalize your senses in our luxurious spa and enjoy the peace and tranquility of our surroundings. A paradise for all ages, with dedicated play areas and pools for our younger guests. Explore the beauty of Galilee, all within a half-hour drive from our resort. Ayala Nature Resort Hotel, where nature meets luxury. Book your stay now with hotels.co.il for great prices and local support.